Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. So I got some new, really pretty stuff from Btartbox, as you can see right here. I already took them out of the box because I literally just cannot wait. So we're gonna just jump right into showing you what I got. I chose these medium almond white pre-French nails, and I think they're so beautiful. I can't wait to use these. I haven't had nails on in like 2 weeks. So I'm really excited. These are so pretty. I cannot wait to try these out. Of course, you're also going to want the gel glue, build your gel, top coat, which all comes right in here. I have open ones that I'm going to use though. But most of all, super exciting. They sent me their gooseneck lamp. This is available on their website. I personally couldn't find it on Amazon, but you let me know if you can find it, but it's listed on their website. I wanted one of these so bad. I'm so excited to try this out. I desperately needed a new flash cure light. Yeah, so it has the USB cable. It actually came with a nice long cord, so we're plugged in, ready to go. We'll have no issues there, and the light turns on just like that. I think this is going to be really promising. You have 8 bulbs under here. Don't want to blind you guys. And you can move this however you like. So this is going to give me a lot more freedom and make everything a lot easier. So yeah. I pulled these out. These are the ones I have opened, so we are all ready to go. And I'm also going to be using their tip primer, which I love so much. So let's get into it. I'm excited. I cannot wait to have some nails on finally. Okay, so I'm starting with the gel glue. I'm not doing any prep to the nail tips because honestly, these come ready to go. I've done it both ways now. I've done prep to the tips with like a primer, and they work just as good when you do absolutely nothing to them, which is great. So I'm just putting a little bit of the glue in the nail bed and hitting it with the UV LED nail lamp, and honestly that's it. This is the fastest it ever takes me to do my nails. When I use these Btartbox nail tips, it's absolutely crazy. You already have a base color and your French tip ready to go, and I really do like their this normal nail glue gel here. I also love their gap filler solid nail gel in the black tub, but this one works really good as well if you get yourself the 3-piece little kit that they sell. It's definitely a worthwhile investment in my opinion, and these are the strongest nail tips that I've tried, like pre-French type for sure. Like, I know I made a video in the past, maybe like a year ago, saying that I liked the Temu ones, but honestly the Temu ones are terrible. They're so thin and flimsy. These are not like that at all. And I've had problems with the Temu ones where like my builder gel and top coat like come right off. It's really annoying. So I'm actually selling those on my Mercari because I don't really see a need for them for my own self. They're cute. They look cute, but it's too much. These are definitely worth the money in my opinion. So I'm just going to be repeating the same thing that you see me do. We're honestly almost done with this hand. After I get them all on and secured, I'm flash curing for, you know, a couple of seconds, 10 seconds each finger. I do also go into my bigger lamp to get a full cure. Personally, that's what I would recommend that you do as well. I do a 60-second cure. Yeah, the gloves were pissing me off. So we're just going to finish up the application, and then we're going to move on to the builder gel and our little super simple, but I think these turned out so pretty for like the beachy mermaid aesthetic, like, and it took no time at all. So that's what we're going to be doing. Hi, there's my stomach. I am 31 weeks pregnant right now. I have my C-section date scheduled, so I'm super excited. Yeah, can't wait to not be pregnant anymore. Look how pretty these are. So I'm just going to file the tips with the nails really quick as well.